A radial nail hole injury is when a penetration to or through a tire's radial ply occurs that is a quarter-inch or less in diameter and is in tread area above belt package only. It's possible for a radial nail hole injury to be conducted outside of a bandag retreading shop, like a roadside fleet terminal or a truck stop. Certain requirements must be met to perform this type of repair. There can only be one injury to the tire if it's to be used in a steer axle position, and it must be within the established perimeter on the belt. You must also have all the appropriate tools. Otherwise, the tire is required to be sent to a bandag retreading shop. This video goes over the steps involved in radial nail hole repair. The following is a review of the safety guidelines that will be needed for this process. Make sure you wear safety glasses, safety shoes, and earplugs. Avoid wearing gloves or loose clothing. Keep hair pulled back and away from tools and equipment. Remember that radial nail hole repairs are conditional. Be sure to check that the injury falls within the specified guidelines. Tires that fall outside of them must be sent to a bandag retread shop for a proper repair. Use the following steps when conducting a radial nail hole repair. Begin by locating the injury and checking for any hidden damage. Use a probe to determine the angle and depth of the penetration. Then use the spray, scrape, spray, and wipe technique to clean the injury. Remove any debris with a vacuum, taking care not to use an air hose to blow debris out of the casing. From the inside of the tire, drill adjacent to where the injury is located. Use special blue cement to lubricate the tapered end of a 3/8 of an inch diameter plug. Install the plug through the hole from the inside of the tire, leaving at least 1/8 of an inch of the plug above the liner surface. Be sure that the full diameter of the plug extends through the tread when you do this. Trim off any excess plug on the outside of the injury until it is even with the tread surface. Place a nail hole repair template on top of the plug and trace around it with a non-wax crayon. You can now take a 46 grit vented cup rasp to buff the area within the outline. Take care to buff the plug flush with the liner and remove all dust with a soft bristle brush. When you're finished, the buffed area should have a smooth, even surface that is larger than the repair unit. Once this is done, clean and vacuum the area before cementing the plug with special blue cement. Relax the beads and turn the tire up so the repair area is in the 12 o'clock position. This is done so that the cement fumes can flow out of the tire. Then let the cement dry for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the cement is dried, take a repair unit and remove the poly from the underside. Center it over the outline and stitch it down by working from the center out. When finished, change direction by 90 degrees and stitch again from the center out. Remove the plastic from the top side of the repair unit. You can now follow proper procedures to remount and air up the tire. Some key points to remember during the radial nail hole repair process are: A radial nail hole repair can be performed outside of a bandag retreading shop, on a roadside, or in a truck stop with the correct tools. Tires that fall outside of the outline specifications must be sent to a bandag retread shop for a proper repair. In conclusion, radial nail hole repairs are best used for tires that require a fast repair or on a roadside service call, since they do not need to be enveloped and cured.